First of all, run Joyoshare Video Converter. Then add M4A files, or drag them to start. Click here to select MP3 as an output format. Here offers two modes. Under high-speed mode, you can get lossless MP3 music. Under encoding mode, you are able to customize your MP3 files freely. For example, you can adjust sample rate, channel, and bitrate. Next, choose your output folder. You can also click Edit icon to edit your MP3 music if you need. Trim your audio by moving the trim marker. Press scissor icon to confirm. Adjust your audio track. For instance, you can change its volume, adjust its weight, or add special sound effects. One click to reset or apply to all is available as well. Click here to combine all your MP3 files. Press Convert button now. Click here to check converted MP3. Now you are able to play them. That's all for today's video. See you next time.